What's going on? So today I'm going to share with you 3 tricks to getting more views and more subscribers that you've not likely seen before. And what I'm going to also do is give a few of you a shout out in my next video, and all you have to do is tell me which method you think is the most powerful in a comment below, and then I'll just go through and pick a few of you out from those comments and give you a shout out in my next video. So let's get started, and don't forget, if you want short, to the point, step-by-step videos that actually teach you the same tips I use on all my YouTube channels, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Now for a couple of these, I do use vidIQ, and you can just go over to the Google Chrome App Store, search for vidIQ, and install it absolutely free as an extension to your YouTube channel. And having access to even just the free tools of vidIQ is going to help you immensely. So step 1, I like to use this to get ideas on what type of content to put out there that I know is going to be successful because it already is successful for other YouTubers. And so as an example, we're looking at one of my favorite channels. This is The Smoking Tire. It's a car review channel. I'm not obviously in the car niche, but this is just an example of what you can do for one of your favorite YouTube channels so that you can get an idea of what type of content you need to produce that's going to be popular and likely take off. So the first thing you're going to do is just go click on their channel. Then once you're here, click on videos, and then look for the vidIQ trending tab. Now I'm going to click on this and check this out. So what this is going to do is it's going to analyze this YouTuber's entire channel, all their videos, and it's going to bring up the videos that are currently trending. Now naturally, some of these are going to be the most recent. It's the new content, so it's likely going to be doing well. But what you want to do is look for a video that is older, that is still trending, and is in this group that it's going to show you, and I'll show you what I mean. So for number 1, we have a video he posted 2 days ago. He's getting 437 views per hour. That's what VPH stands for. So if I was in this niche, in the car review niche, you'd be like, oh wow, well no wonder, it's a brand new 2021 F-150. There's probably a ton of people putting out this type of content right now, so it's going to be pretty competitive. So that's not really what I'm utilizing this feature for. But if we go down here a little bit, you're going to see here's one that's getting 23 views per hour. It's still considered trending within vidIQ's trending analyzation. So 23.6 views an hour, but check this out. This video is 5 years old, and it's still almost getting as many views per hour as one he posted 15 days ago. In fact, almost as many as he posted a video of 8 days ago. And so what type of video is it? Oh, how to drive a manual transmission. So this is a gem of an idea. It's still popular. Even 5 years later, it's still in his top trending videos. So it's kind of like a little hidden gem, as you can see here. It's completely different from all of the other content he has on his channel, and it's something that you can do that's not going to be crazy competitive, like this review of a brand new 2021 Ford F-150 that a lot of other people are going to be doing currently. So again, you can do this with any niche. Just go ahead, click on their videos, click on the trending tab, and see what you can find as far as how well a video is still performing even though it may be years old. Let's check out trick number 2. So for this trick, let's check out something really cool, another vidIQ feature. And let's say you're getting ready to upload your video to YouTube. Now, one of the most important factors on YouTube is click-through rate, getting people to click on your video once it's uploaded to its platform. The better the click-through rate, the better your chances it's going to get pushed around YouTube's platform. And the number 1 factor for click-through rate is your thumbnail. So what you can do is, using this tool I'm going to share with you, is preview what your video is going to look like, what your thumbnail is going to look like compared to others within the key phrases and key terms you're trying to go after. So for instance, we have in this video I posted a little while ago, how to get subscribers on YouTube fast. I'm going to go ahead and just copy that because that's what I was going for, people searching for that key phrase. I'm going to put it in here, add your key search term. I'm going to hit that, enter it in, and I'm going to say preview in search results. So let's go ahead and click on that. And so before I were to even upload this video, I can see what it's going to look like compared to the other videos that end up in the search results for this term. And like you can see right here, this is another one of my videos. And so it's going to show you the top videos and how your thumbnail compares to them. So all I did is I noticed, you know, there's people in here, this other YouTuber, and he's putting his face. He's doing very well. So for whatever reason, this search term plus your face plus some phrases in your thumbnail seem to do well. So I just did the same thing. I put my face, but then to stand out, I made it a little crazy. So I used a little filter to put a big crazy eyebrow or unibrow on my head. I put a little settings gear on my forehead so it stands out a little bit. And then the results are, as you can see, this video has gotten over 133,000 views since I posted it just a few months ago. So now let's jump into trick number 3. And real quick, if you just want to supercharge the growth of your channel, get all my personal methods and tools for growing channels quickly, becoming a YouTube partner, earning AdSense revenue, and even how to monetize your channel for additional automated income like I do, check out the link in the description to my video series where you can watch over my shoulder, copy me, and just set this up for yourself. And if you do click on that link in the description and you come over here to where the video series is and you scroll down a bit, you're gonna see where YouTubers are enrolled, are simply following the steps I laid out for them, and they're sharing the results they're getting right here. And I recently added a new section to this series where I show you how to get your channel monetized very quickly, and I have people reporting back with just using that method alone, they're getting their channels monetized within as quickly as 11 days. So again, that link is in the description, check it out. Let's go ahead to the last trick. So to even get to where you're gonna utilize this method I'm gonna show you, it's even tricky to get there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the little drop down menu within your channel analytics, and you're going to switch to a prior month. So in this case, we're just going to look at April real quick. Then you're going to want to go down here to see more. Click on that, and then you're going to scroll down a bit, and what YouTube's going to do is it's going to give you some pretty cool analytics that you're going to be able to use to grow your channel even more. And so watch this. So over here on the left, I'm blocking this out on purpose. You'll understand in a minute. But these are the months. So I just have all the months lined up here. And then right here for each month, YouTube is showing me in order which month I had the best month in terms of views, or I could pick subscribers or watch time, whatever I want to work on. And in this case, let's just look at, well, views and subscribers are both the highest for this month. So all I have to do now is, if you look here, for this month, which was a few months ago, I got 300,000 views, and I got over 4,000 subscribers, 4,326 subscribers in this month alone. And so then all I have to do is go into my videos to that month and look at the videos that I was producing in that month. And since this was several months ago, the month we're looking at, I can recreate a lot of these videos, in particular the ones that performed the best. So I'll just look at the videos for that month that got the most views and that got the most subscribers, and simply redo that video, only an updated version of it. Use the same keywords, the same title, a similar thumbnail, virtually an identical thumbnail really if I want, and I can double down on that month and get another month of thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views. And so tell me which one of these methods you like the best. And remember, again, the first method was the trending tab, where you would go to a YouTube channel, click on the trending tab, and see which videos may be trending even though they may be years old, so you can discover amazing topics to do videos on. The next method was the preview, so you can see how your thumbnails rate against other thumbnails for a particular search term. That way you can know if your thumbnail's good enough or strong enough. Make adjustments, make similar thumbnails to those that are already doing well, but make yours a little bit different to get that click-through rate as high as possible. And then this one, your monthly analytics, to see which month you had your best gains in, and then just recreate that month by redoing some of those videos, only making slight revisions, updating them, and doubling down on content that is doing well for your channel. Again, drop that in a comment below which one you like the best. I'll go through and pick a few of you, and in the next video, I will do a shout out to your channel. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned so you can see that. And with that said, I'm gonna wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.